Pinatay yung mga poser, kinuha yung shabu, ipinagbilit, tapos pati yung pera, binulsa. So do not be surprised about these allegations they are being paid. So how are you supposed to enter into a trafficking event kung walang nagbibili, wala rin nagpabili, so walang trafficking? Eh di possession lang, billable. Kaya ganon yan. Diyan nagkakandalo ko. Hindi ko alam ilan nangyaring ganon. But do not be surprised if they are there to buy. Eh sabihin na binigyan sila ng incentive. Mayroon ring incentive. Mayroon ring operational funds. No much I gave them? 150 million. Para na magbili ng mga... Ngayong iba, yun ang nangyari. Sabi nila binibigyan sila ng 5 million.